Hey everyone, welcome to the DroidDemos.com. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an app that I use pretty much every single day. I'm a big workout buff. I love working out, and this is one of the apps that I use to keep track of my workouts. If you're keeping track of your workouts with pen and paper, you know that can be difficult, whether you forget the paper at home, you run out of space, water gets on it and just runs around, you can't read what you wrote. And of course, just having to keep track on paper. This is going to make it a lot easier. The app is called JEFIT, and it's mainly for weightlifting, but it also has cardio activities built in as well, so you can keep track of those. But I'd recommend using a different app for something like that. So if you're lifting weights, this is definitely the #1 app to do that with. This is going to be the pro version that I'm showing you guys. It's got a few extra premium features. But I'll go ahead and show you all of the features right now. So you come in here, this is the first screen you'll see. We've got routine, exercise, stats, logs, and then these settings over here. When you first download the app, you can put in a new profile. If you haven't created a user, you can go ahead and do that right here. You can reset that. You can set goals for different workout activities. So you have chest size, waist, arms, things like that, body fat percentage, weight, and it'll keep track of your progress through those. We can update the stats there, we can edit our profile, and we can import and export the stats. So if you're switching phones or something like that, you can still import that right in. And then one of the advantages you'll get by making an account is that it will synchronize. As you see here, every time you finish a workout, it'll synchronize for you, or you can do it manually from there, or with the button right here on the home screen for the app. If we go in the preferences, we just have a few options, nothing too complicated. We can change whether it's pounds, kilograms, metric system if you want that. We can have an alarm. So when you're doing your workout, you put a timer on it. After you finish your set, you can have an alarm go off so that you don't even have to look at your phone. We can keep the screen on if you want. And if we go back here, we have all of our logs and things like that. But first I'll jump into routine. So this is the main thing that you'll be using. So we can go ahead and make a new routine. As you see here, this is the routine that I'm using right now. And I can just go in each day and do that. If I want to make a new one, I can just go ahead and click Switch Routine. I have my routines here in the past that I've done. I can create a routine, give it a name, give it a level, select the routine type, training frequency, just a few little details so you know what the routine is. Once we create a routine, so I'll just go ahead and say Test Routine. And I'll leave everything else the same. I can click Save. I can just go ahead and hit this, set as current, and this will make this my current routine. So I can go back, and now you see it has here, I have no exercises in here now, but that's something we can go ahead and just do. So I'm going to go ahead and add a day, and then we can make it a specific day if we want, or we can just leave it no specific, give it a name, say this is going to be chest day, hit Save, and now we have that. So when it's that day, you can go in there, add an exercise for that. Since this is chest day, we'll go into chest, and it has tons of preset options here, so you can either build your workout from these, or just take a workout from something else that you found in a magazine and add it right in. So say I want to do right at the top, if you see a BE, I think that means benchmark exercise, and those are just things that the main ones that it uses to keep track of your progress. So I can select that, and it automatically adds it in here to the workout. I can change the timer and number of sets, so I'll go there. That means I want it to be 60 seconds after I do each set for that, and then I want to do 3 sets, so it'll automatically keep track of that. So say we're doing today's workout, just go in there, finish the exercise, I put in how many pounds it was, how many reps it was, and I can click Save and Start Timer, and it'll automatically go in there. Something that's really cool is it will automatically calculate your 1 rep max, so you don't have to worry about doing that by hand. And a cool little option, it gives you the beat it option, so based on what you've done, it'll tell you what you need to do to beat that 1 rep max calculation. I can put notes on it. I can view an animation for the exercise. I can go into the logs and edit those if something was wrong. And if we go back here to the beginning, go to my stats, then we can look at the progress here. It shows what they are, the 1 rep max. We can look at this progress here. I haven't input any of these, but you can keep track of that right there. So if we go back, I'm going to go ahead and go to switch the routine back to the current one, and I'll show you something else. Add this phase 2, and we can go back in here, go to an exercise, do the first one, and I'll just go ahead and click save and timer, sorry. And then we have these different options on the screen while it's counting down. We can look at the 1 rep max chart, and this will show you your progress over time. I've only done this one for 1 week, so you won't see it, but it has your days at the bottom, and it'll show your progress over time, show you how you've done. So that's just one of the other cool things that it'll keep track of. You can also look at the volume change, if you're start on one volume, go down, whatever. So that'll keep track there, and you can do the beat it options from here as well. So as you can see, there's tons of options. I've tried multiple different apps, and this is easily the best weightlifting app for Android. So if you're a big weightlifter, or even if you just want to get in it, this will definitely help you out for it. As I said, this is JEFIT. This is the Pro version. I would definitely recommend trying out the free version first. If you like it, definitely purchase the full version, get a few more options, and support the developer. This has been the droiddemos.com. Thanks for watching, guys.